Use tools to loosen but not remove screws. Loosen hand screws. Machine bottom side up. Remove the screws and spacers that hold the belt in place. Remove belt. Note the direction of the belt grooves. Thread the belt as shown. With the machine facing up, pass the belt through the machine as shown. Machine bottom side up. Snap the belt into the groove as shown and secure with spacers and screws. The other side is similarly snapped into the belt and then the belt is tightened according to the belt's elasticity. The belt is then secured with spacers and screws. Machine face up. Tighten the hand screws and keep pressing on the belt to check the belt's tightness. Tighten the screws after adjusting the belt properly.